Top 10 Facts about the Colosseum. Number 1. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, was built under the rule of Emperor Vespasian in AD 72, and completed under his successor, Titus, in AD 80. Number 2. The Colosseum was one of the largest amphitheaters ever built, with a seating capacity of between 50,000 and 80,000 spectators, depending on the source. Number 3. The Colosseum was primarily used for gladiatorial contests, but it also hosted other public spectacles such as animal hunts, mock-sea battles, and public executions. Number 4. It was partially destroyed by an earthquake. The Colosseum was damaged by a major earthquake in AD 1349, which caused significant damage to the structure. Number 5. After the fall of the Roman Empire, the Colosseum was largely abandoned and fell into disrepair. It was used as a quarry for building materials for many centuries, and many of the stones used to build other structures in Rome were taken from the Colosseum. Number 6. Despite its damaged state, the Colosseum has been a popular tourist attraction for centuries. It was included on the Grand Tour of Europe in the 18th and 19th centuries, and continues to draw millions of visitors each year. Number 7. The Colosseum has been featured in countless films, television shows, and other media over the years, including Gladiator, Ben-Hur, and the Da Vinci Code. Number 8. The Colosseum is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Italy, and it attracts millions of visitors each year. Number 9. Over the years, the Colosseum has undergone extensive restoration work to preserve and protect its structure. In recent years, restoration work has focused on repairing damage caused by pollution and weathering. Number 10. The Colosseum was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1980, in recognition of its cultural and historical significance.